Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. When I started in tech, it was so unplanned. I literally joined a community of crypto enthusiasts as a volunteer community manager. If I had to start all over again, if you ask me what I would do differently, I'd use ChatGPT as my study buddy from day one. Hi there, if this is your first time here, I am Digital Devs. On this channel, I share real tips to help you level up in tech and business with practical and real world insights. If I had to start my tech journey again, I'd use these three tools to move faster and achieve so much in such a short time: ChatGPT, Notion, and LinkedIn. First off, ChatGPT. Everyone uses ChatGPT wrongly. The best way to use ChatGPT is as your personal assistant, your study buddy, to turn your ideas into a clear and structured guide.
Let's get into the practical. So if I want to use ChatGPT as my study buddy and my assistant, I'm going to type this. I'm a novice in tech and I want to become an expert in 1 year. Please create a clear study guide of skills and courses I need to take to make me employable and valuable in the global job market for the next 10 years. Also recommend communities I can join to build my network. Push that to ChatGPT. So look at that. Look at that. Here's a clear 1 year study guide, month by month study plan. So in 12 months, you put this in a table instead of guessing or buying random courses on Udemy or Coursera that may not align with your goals. This gives a clear structured guide that of exact skills to learn, the order to learn them, and even the right communities to join and network. So imagine starting out with this clarity instead of wasting time hopping from one YouTube video to another. You can literally copy this and paste in your notes on Notion. So here, look at the communities to join. You can just copy this and use this as your guide to start in tech.
Now, that brings me to Notion. Notion is like your tax master. It keeps all your work organized. First off, click on New Page and click on Task. And you can click on one of the existing templates, which is Task Tracker. Depends on the template you want to use. So I pick Task Tracker, and I'm going to be customizing just how I want it based on how you want to achieve whatever you want to achieve, right? So you just drag and drop. So as you can see, I'm customizing my task tracker within the things that I think that I need, due dates, and all of that. As you can see, I'm still customizing this. Like I said, it's all dependent on you. I'm going to be editing my task tracker to um, study cybersecurity in 1 year. So as you can see, I'm going to edit that to study cybersecurity in 1 year. Like I said earlier, you can customize to what you want, and it just works the way you want it to work. It's easy to customize. You can put due dates, and you can also receive notifications. This way, your entire study outline stays in view and keeps popping up to help you stay on track. You can also download the Notion app so you don't always have to log in via web. And finally, LinkedIn.
Welcome to LinkedIn. One of the biggest mistakes techies make when starting out is thinking they don't have much to share. That's absolutely wrong. You actually have so much to share. Don't keep it. Post your learning journey here on LinkedIn, or if you are a developer, on GitHub, or even create a free website to document what you've learned. Even Medium, you can talk about what you've learned on Medium. You can update your licenses, certificates, also the skills that you've learned, right? You can update them on LinkedIn, right? So do not think you do not have anything to share. It's important that you're putting out what you've learned out there.
For me, sharing my experiences in community management boosted my confidence. Normally, I won't be able to speak in public, but when I saw that people could relate to what I knew on community management and found it as valuable, it helped boost my confidence and I kept showing up. So those are the three tools that will change your learning game. ChatGPT for learning guides, Notion for task management, and LinkedIn for networking and visibility. If this video was helpful, don't just watch it and go. Share it with someone navigating their tech journey and subscribe for more practical tips like this. In my next video, we'll be talking about things you need to know before you start that business idea you've been thinking about. This is Digital Devs. See you in the next one.